Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the goal. Decide whether you will inform, persuade, or teach and keep that thesis visible. Next, set the file to 16:9 and pick 2 fonts plus 1 accent color so visuals stay consistent. Once done, gather your core data and images, only the strongest pieces. Begin with a title slide and a 1-line thesis. This anchors structure. Make sure to name the file clearly and save an initial version so you can return if direction changes. Now you build each slide to serve the thesis. Use a consistent grid so every slide reads the same way. Focus on contrast and white space. Aim for 40 to 60% empty space to let ideas breathe. Use master slides for headers, footers, and repeated layouts. This saves time and prevents drift. Compress images to about 150 ppi and pick readable sizes between 18 and 32 points. Once done, rehearse the sequence to check pacing. Finish by rehearsing aloud, timing each slide to 1 to 2 minutes and refining your notes for clarity. Export a PDF and keep a backup PPTX, then test both files on the actual projector or remote display with your clicker. Make sure fonts are embedded or use system fonts to avoid shifts. If something goes wrong, check display settings and replace any corrupted images. Disabling hardware acceleration often stops weird rendering. Finally, trust the structure you built and deliver with purposeful pacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.